Unlock the power of bleeding-edge AI in your Python projects by integrating with the Deepseek API and watch your productivity soar. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on an API key. Head over to the Deepseek website and navigate to their API section to sign up and generate your token. This key is your digital passport to accessing their amazing AI models. Now, let's get coding. We'll start by importing the necessary library. Typically, you'll use the official Deepseek Python SDK. Before we can send any requests, we need to authenticate. This involves securely configuring your API key within your Python environment, usually by setting it as an environment variable or passing it directly during client initialization. With authentication out of the way, we can now interact with Deepseek's powerful models for text generation. You'll typically call a specific function, passing in your prompt a circumflex euros. That's the text you want the AI to complete or respond to. You can also customize the output by adjusting parameters like temperature for creativity or max tokens to control the length of the response. Let's consider a practical example, building a simple chatbot. You can use the Deepseek API to process user input, generate intelligent responses, and create a dynamic conversational experience. This opens up a world of possibilities for customer support, interactive storytelling, or even personal assistance. As with any API interaction, it's crucial to handle potential errors gracefully. We'll implement error handling, perhaps using try-except blocks, to catch any network issues or API-specific error codes. This ensures your application remains robust and user-friendly, even when things don't go as planned. To truly boost your productivity, you can leverage the Deepseek API in loops or batch processing. Imagine analyzing thousands of documents, generating summaries for each, or even translating large volumes of text. The API's efficiency allows you to tackle these tasks with remarkable speed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to seamlessly integrating the Deepseek API into your Python projects. Experiment with different prompts and parameters to discover the full potential of these advanced AI capabilities and supercharge your development workflow.